Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, another reading na naman tayo today for the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. No, so kamusta kayo dyan mga water signs natin, right? No, so before anong advice or message for you ng iyong inner self and love situation, of course, ng person on your mind, no, mga water signs natin. And of course, ang hindi mawawala, message or advice for you ni universe, ni God, ng ating source, right? Mga water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, no? So let's start, no? Anong meron, no? Or anong advice or message sa'yo ng iyong inner self, no, mga water signs. Kuha tayo ng one card for you for the advice or message for you ng iyong inner self, no, mga water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Kuha tayo ng one card for you here. Message or advice ng iyong inner self. So you have this, no, Peacock, Priestess, no? So so ano tong nakasulat? Tingnan natin. I am enough, mother, daughter, sister, lover, no? So for some of you, no, sinasabi sa iyo ng iyong inner self, no, ang message sa iyo ng inner self, no, is you are enough, no? Huwag mong isipin sa sarili mo na may mga pagkukulang ka, no, as a person, right? No, you are the whole package, no, the complete package, no. Kung makikita mo, mother, daughter, sister, lover, nasa yun lahat na yung pagkikare with it when it comes to a person, right? No, with this Peacock Priestess, no, so makikita mo, you are very colorful. It means you are very lively, loving person, right? No, so kung hindi mo nakikita sa sarili mo yon, yung inner self mo nakikita yun. And of course, people around you, no, mga water signs natin. With the Priestess, you are this, no, some of you ay very spirituality rin, or you are in a spiritual person, no, ang mga water signs natin, right? No? Kumbaga, you are this full of wisdom then for some of you, no, with the Peacock na very lively, very colorful, very, kumbaga, ay full of wisdom na in the sense of yung, yung kumbaga, nakaka-enlighten kayo ng people, no? Once you are talking to them, giving advices to them, no, nakaka-enlighten kayo ng mga people around you na nakikipag-usap sa inyo or seeking advices from you, no, mga water signs natin. So ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no, mga water. So and of course, ayun din yung nakikita ng inner self mo na hindi mo nakikita sa iyo, no, mga water signs sa sarili mo, right? No, so kino-confirm lang ng iyong inner self na ito talaga ikaw, no? Mga water signs natin, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, right? No, so let's see what's the love situation for you, no, mga water signs natin. So kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you, love situation, no? Tignan natin, 2 cards for water signs, please. Universe, Holy Spirit, no? Kuha tayo ng 2 cards for you, water signs. Tingnan natin yan. So you have this air, no? For some of you, water sign, maybe you are dealing with an air signs, no? Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, no? And then for some of you, maybe, no, merong mga secrets na marireveal, no, with the air. Kasi sinasabi natin with the air, ano yan kumbaga walang sikretong hindi nabubunyag, no? Sumisingaw at sumisingaw. So ayun yung pagkakaintindi ko, no, with the air, no. So maybe there are secrets revealed or will be revealed, no, something like that, no, within the relationship, of course, no. So what else? So Pisces, no, maybe for some of you, you are dealing also with a Pisces like you, water signs, no, or maybe you are this, no, Pisces, no, this is your energy dealing with an earth signs, right? No, so let's see what else, no? Ano pang other messages for you? Kuha tayo ng 3 cards here for you. Water signs. 3 cards for water signs, please. Person on your mind, love situation for water signs, please. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you. Let's see. Anong meron sa mga relationship or love situation for the water sign. So you have this, no, forget me, so you can be happy, no. So meron dito, no, for some of you, may nagpaparaya dito, no, mga water signs, right? Na merong parang may nagpaparaya, no. And again, no, pwedeng vice versa, no, magkapalit-palit ang inyong energy. So just take what's resonate, no, kung saan side kayo nakaka-relate. Pwedeng sabihin natin kayo yung sinasabi ko ditong person nyo, no, and then alam niyo naman, no, when it comes to tarot, no, in general, right, no, so kung saan lang kayong side na makaka-relate ay ayun yung sa inyo, right, no. So meron dito nagpaparaya, and what else? But then I want you, no, but then I want you, no, I mean siguro gusto ka niya, but then pinaparaya na, parang dinidisregard niya yung kanyang nararamdaman, no? Kasi gusto niya maging masaya ka, no, for some of you. And then what else? Ano ito? Meron dito, I played your heart intentionally. Okay. So meron dito player din, no? But then siguro may na-realize itong tao na to, no? Siguro hindi naman niya sinasadya, nagkaroon siya ng mga other relationship besides of you, right, no, aside sa'yo, no, mga ganun, no, water sign, or again vice versa, right, no. But then I think I may na-realize itong tao na ito, no, siguro nakita niya na kung gaano kanya nasasaktan, right, no, and then kaya naisip niya na because before, maybe napaka-selfish nitong tao na ito, kahit na nakikita ka na niya ng nasasaktan, paulit-ulit pa rin niyang ginagawa yung paglalaro niya sa inyong relationship, cheating, betrayal, no, something like that, no, kung whatever it is, no, na nasasaktan kayo sa relasyon ninyo, no, paulit-ulit niyang ginagawa yun, no. But then siguro something snap, no, at na-realize nitong tao na ito na mali na pala yung ginagawa niya, na sobra ka nang nasasaktan, no? At gusto niya naman ngayon na kahit nasabihin natin gusto ka niya, no? Pinaparaya ka niya. Kung pinapalaya ka niya, no? Something like that, no? Or pinalaya ka niya para ay maging masaya ka naman din para sa sarili mo, no? At matapos na yung burden sa sarili mo, no, sa buhay mo, no, mga water signs natin, right, no. So meron dito talagang nagparaya, nagpalaya, no, something like that, no. So what else? Kuha pa tayo ng 3 cards for you here, no, mga water signs natin. Ay, 2 cards only lang pala, 2 cards for you here, no, mga water signs. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards for water signs, please. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. 2 cards for water signs. So, let's see, ano yan? King of Wands, no? Courage, confidence, passionate. No? So, maybe, no? Tingnan natin, ano to? Queen of Pentacles, no, stability, strong leader, wealth, independent, no. So no, maybe, no, for some of you, no, ito ka, no, with the King of Wands, no, sasabihin natin, no, and the Queen of Pentacles, no, maybe you are some of you water sign embodying this King of Wands and Queen of Pentacles, no. So parang sinasabi rito na tama lang na umalis ka na sa ganyang sitwasyon na hindi ka nang masaya, no, because you are this, you have this strong personality, no, you are a leader, no, kumbaga ay kaya mong itayo yung sarili mo, right, no. Maybe napapanghinaan ka lang ng loob for some of you, that's why parang lalo na nagkakaroon ng separation or nagkaroon ng separation, nadadown nyo masyado ang inyong sarili. But then of course, it's take your time to heal, no, for some of you water sign, if you are still healing from that relationship, no. But then wag mong kakalimutan sa sarili mo na you are this very strong personality, right? You have the courage, you have the confidence, you have this passionate characteristic na kayang-kaya mong ibangon ulit ang sarili mo at magpatuloy ulit, right? With the King of Wands, you are very beautiful, you are very handsome people, right? Huwag mong sayangin ang personality mo, ang iyong buhay sa pagkakalugmok, no? Itayo mo ulit ang sarili mo, right? With the Queen of Pentacles, kayang-kaya mong bumangon, no? Bumagsak pa man, kayang-kaya mong bumangon. Dahil you are this, no? You are very strong and then you have the skills. You are independent person, kaya mong bumangon mag-isa nang hindi kinakailangan talaga ng tulong ng iba, right? No? So, kailangan mo lang dito is i-motivate mo yung sarili mo, no? Iahon mo yung sarili mo dyan sa pagkakalubog mo right now, right? No, mga water signs natin, right? No, so ito yung nakikita ko dito, no, for some of you, no. So let's see, kuha pa tayo ng additional messages for you. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you. Additional message for your love situation, love relationship. No? Tignan natin. What else? So you have Hi mga goddesses ko, water sign. So, yan no, nawalan tayo ng nalobat pala yung ating mic kanina no. So, kaya walang sounds no yung halos last part ng ating video no. So, but then ito yung mga lumabas no. So, pakita ko lang again no. So, ito yung with this no detachment cold no, so meron talaga dito for some of you nagkaroon ng coldness no sa inyong relationship, right? No, so kaya nagkaroon ng mga separation because hindi na talaga nagkakaroon ng maayos na communication for some of you dahil yung isang person ay nagde-detach, and for some of you kaya rin nag-detach ang person ninyo dahil nga gusto niya talaga ay maging masaya naman kayo noon. May na-realize itong tao na ito, right? No, and then of course with the thoughts here, no, isolation, no, for some of you talaga, no, you are isolating yourself, no, reminiscing the past, no, sa sa relationship, no, nangyari sa inyo ng iyong person, right? No, so it's okay, no, just take your time, no, mga goddesses ko, right? So, yan, no? It's okay, no? Just take your time, no? To heal yourself, no? But then, wag mong patagalin, no? Wag mong ilubog yung sarili mo dyan, no? Mga water signs natin, right? No? So yan, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko dito, right? No? And then, ito naman yung message or advice sa'yo ni Universe, right? No? So, ang sinasabi niya dito ay ni Universe is to take the action na, right? No? So, tama na yun, no? For some of you na matagal-tagal na ring nagmumukmuk dyan, no? And it's time to take the action na, right? No? Because you are this, no? Very strong ang personality ninyo, no? Mga water signs, no? Huwag yung sayangin yung mga skills na meron kayo, yung inyong personality na very strong, na kayang-kaya nyong bumangon, no? Mga water signs, right? No? Huwag nyong ilubog yung sarili nyo, sayangin kung ano yung merong magandang future pa para sa inyo, right? To, it's okay to heal yourself, no? Take your time, but then sinasabi ko nga, wag nyong patagalin, right? If you think na kaya nyo na, then do the action, no? Ibangon mo na, tumayo ka na dyan, and continue living in this beautiful earth, no, and in this beautiful world na God's creation for us, right? No, wag mo sayangin yung sarili mo, iyong buhay na ilubog mo lang dahil lang sa sitwasyon na hindi naging maganda, no? In the near future, marami pang mas magandang mangyayari for you, no? Ang mga water signs natin, right? Because ikaw na yung buong package, no? Sinasabi nga kaya pala yung unang deck mo, 'di ba? Sabi, I am enough, no? Sinasabi ng inner self mo, ikaw na yung whole package, no? Nawawalan ka lang ng self confidence, no, sa iyong sarili, right? Because maybe sa mga napagdaanan mo in the past, right? No, so but then wag mong sayangin, no, ang iyong sarili dealing with the anxiety, depression, no? I-release mo na lahat yan kay Universe. Bahala na si Universe sa lahat ng baggages mo, and move forward para sa magandang future para sa iyo, no? Mga water signs, no? Yeah, that's it for you, mga water signs, no? Medyo nawala talaga yung ating nalobat talaga yung ating camera, no, but then eto na, no, so buti na lang di ko siya niligpit, no, so naghanap ako nung isang mic natin rito na hindi na kailangan i-charge, no, kaya medyo maingay pa rin, no, so but then, no, I hope na naintindihan ninyo, no. Ayun din naman yung sinabi ko dun sa nawalan ako ng boses kanina, right? No, so yeah, that's it for you, mga water signs natin, no. And palagi akong, sobrang thankful ako because lagi kayong bumabalik at nanonood ng ating mga readings, no, mga water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, no. So, maniwala lang kayo sa sarili niyo. Kayang-kaya niyo yan. Kayo pa, napakalakas ninyo. Napaka-talented na tao, loving person, lahat na, 'di ba? You are the total package, no. So, why no, kumaga why feel down, no, sa yung sarili, right? No, si Universe na mismo yung nag-aangat, no, nililift up ka niya, no, right? So maniwala ka sa sarili mo, have faith, and of course with God, no, with the Universe, no, na may malaki ang faith para sa iyo, right? No, so have faith in yourself, and of course with God, right? No, and then nothing is impossible, no, all will be possible basta you are willing to do and you are willing to change what is ahead of you, no, mga water signs, right? No, bangon-bangon, laban lang sa hamon ng buhay, right, mga water signs. So yeah, that's it for you, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. God bless you all, and thank you for watching, water signs.